Hey, good evening. So we're out here tonight at Heathrow Airport. We've travelled here from our home location to go on an adventure. So we're going to take you along for the ride, give you a hotel room overview later on this evening as well. Quite a short flight for us, so it'll be good. Give you an overview of what there is to do at Heathrow and just take you along on our travel day. So if you do enjoy the video throughout, give us a thumbs up, do appreciate it, really does help us out a lot, and it'd be great if you could hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when we post all new videos. Let's go on an adventure. So we're all checked in and we've dropped our bag off. We've gone through security, thankfully it wasn't a massive queue, but it's always a pain, and we are now going to get some food at Wagamama's. Woo. Very exciting. They've got 15-minute menus here, so apart from the queue, should be 15 minutes, and then we'll get back on. We'll get on the plane quite quickly. Dish number one. We've actually eaten a couple of these already. Yeah, 5 in a portion. Chicken gyoza. Very nice. One of the best things on the menu. Basic habanero katsu. Some extra sauce. One of the weird things about Wagamama is if you've never been here, everything kind of comes out whenever it's ready. So we've had one starter, we've got one main now, and Becky's starter's not here yet. Becky's main's not here yet, but all of our stuff is separated. There's this by Magic. Our Hirata steamed buns are here. If you are sleeping on this dessert, think again. The white chocolate and ginger cheesecake here in Wagamama's is to die for. Look at that. I know it sounds weird, ginger, but do it. It's time. We're going on an adventure. We're getting on a plane. So excited. It's going to be a really quick flight. A note, guys, don't stand up till your boarding number is called. Just wait. Because you can't get on anyway. We're all getting on at the same time. Look at this view. We're right on the wing. That was such a quick flight. So we're here now, we've got to the airport, 40 minutes, 45-minute flight in total. We're up in the air. As soon as we realised we're high enough, the captain's like, yeah, we're going to prepare to land now, so crazy. But we have landed in Paris, bienvenue. So we come to Paris for a few days. We're here to go to Disneyland. It's the 30th anniversary of Disneyland this weekend. Got ourselves some tickets to really enjoy the celebrations and have fun. As we were coming over, landing in Charles de Gaulle Airport, we had some fantastic views of Paris as a whole, the Eiffel Tower. It was beautiful. But we're going to collect the bag. We're going to go and get ourselves an Uber and get to the hotel because it's now like 11:15 at night. We took an evening flight just after work, and whilst it seemed like a good idea, we're not going to get to the hotel till like midnight, so yay. But hopefully it doesn't take too long in the Uber. It's they're saying it's about 60 euros from Charles de Gaulle Airport to our hotel, so it's not too bad. It'll take probably, I think, about 45 minutes, but I'm not 100% sure. See what traffic's like. It shouldn't be that bad at this time of night, right? Fingers crossed. And we have arrived. We're here in the Hotel Cheyenne at Disneyland Paris. How cool is it? Look at this. So we're staying here for 3 nights over the course of the 30th anniversary. We're checking in tonight. It's very late, it's like 10 to 12 at the moment. So we're gonna get checked in, go into our room, give you guys an overview of the room, and I will have a separate video up for a full tour of the resort, as well as like a bit more of an in-depth video of the room itself. Alright, so we are all checked in. We are staying in Wyatt Earp. Interesting. Room 1878. We've got Starbucks here. It's a couple of minutes to get to the room, basically. You can get your bus to the resort in the morning. It starts at 6:30 AM for hotel guests. It's ridiculous. But look at this. Look how cool this looks. Sheriff. It's really cool. It's an interesting corridor. Okay, so we're checking into room 1878 here at the Hotel Cheyenne. You put your key in the door. Give you guys a quick walk around. So you can see everything anyway. Woody, Jessie and Bullseye. You've got all the Toy Story kind of stuff. I'll give you a quick look in here. And if you do want to see a full walkthrough of the room, check out the video of that. I'll put a link down in the description to that. So hopefully you enjoyed following us along on our travel day. It was a little bit of a shorter video, but we're going to have a few more videos for you guys to check out throughout our adventure here. We're going to have a full resort tour of the Hotel Cheyenne. We're also going to have some 30th anniversary stuff for Disneyland Paris, which is going to drop a little bit before this, and various other day vlogs and things like that. So if you did enjoy the video, give us a thumbs up. Do appreciate it. It really does help us out a lot. And it'd be great if you guys could hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when we post all new videos. See you on the other side. Thanks.